Well, my name's Richard Paris and I'm the editor of Which Computing, which is the second largest magazine that Which produces. We've got an audience of around 210,000 subscribers who want to know everything they can about their computing products. So that's tablets, phones, their printers, their laptops, everything in between. Principally they want to know why it isn't working anymore. And so our job is to try and explain that stuff to them. One of the unique things about Which Computing is we have a help desk team. So if you're having problems with your computer, you don't just have to read our articles, try and follow the information. You can actually get in touch for one-to-one advice. But we found that actually the team wasn't making the most efficient use of this that they could. So very often we'd learn that the same queries were coming in again and again, but we weren't doing the smartest job possible of having consistent answers or making sure we weren't writing the answers out every single time. Also, we weren't passing that sort of information along to me. So as editor of the magazine, I desperately want to know what are the problems that our readers are having. And with the old CRM tools that we used, there just wasn't really an effective way of capturing that information. So the move to Zendesk was really transformative for us, because it meant we actually had those answers coming through, and as well as giving much faster, much smarter responses to our readers at a time when they're very stressed with their computers not working, we're also learning more about them as well. We're finding out, what do you want to know about, what are your problems, and that's going to feed the next few issues of my magazine. I know which articles I need to produce. We didn't go into this aiming to produce a website. We really wanted to find a way of getting very quick, very easy solutions which would make our team work better, give our customers better quality answers. Along the way we started realising that by designing a help centre, we'd actually be producing a really good quality external publication that people could get towards. They could find their own answers, they could navigate around, they could learn more as they go, and effectively we have an all-singing, all-dancing website which helps people to learn as they want and get in touch with us if they need further help. So I think Appamondo have been brilliant with us every step of the way. They understood us as a client very quickly. I think they could see some of the challenges that we had. I think they could also see some of the opportunities that we were presenting. I mean, it was very interesting to hear from Appamondo that a lot of their clients haven't made quite the same use of the help centre that we have. So I was very pleased to go from a position wherein we had absolutely nothing to actually we were kind of leading the way with what you could do with a Zendesk help centre. And we wouldn't have been able to do that without Appamondo's help. So I worked very closely with them throughout in terms of this is the layout that we'd like, this is the look and feel, this is the customer journey. And regularly Appamondo were getting back in touch with us to make sure that we were getting the results we needed out of them, that the work they were delivering was of the sort of quality and standard we were after, and we were always pleased with how quick they were to communicate. I think my favourite Zendesk feature is suggested articles. So you get it at both ends, whether you're the person getting in touch, typing out for some help, I've got a problem with my email so-and-so, or you're the agent dealing with a ticket, both of you see the same suggestion. Now for me as a magazine editor, I can put in edited quality answers which we know are published quality. And that's great for the agent, and that's also great for the user that's trying to get help, and both of them will see the same good quality response. So the results have been amazing, and I couldn't have predicted they'd have gone anywhere near this well, but about a year ago, last summer, we were hitting our agreed SLA of trying to get back to our customers in time. We're only hitting it about 55% of the time. This year, it's now gone up to 98% of the time, and that's all a result of having that help centre there, feeding them the responses, letting people get in touch, but letting them self-serve if they want to as well. And at the back end, we've got all those tools in place, which Appamondo have helped us lay out in terms of the answers and the articles at our agents' fingertips so they can give better, faster responses. So I definitely recommend working with Appamondo. They've been transformative for us as a brand. They've been hugely flexible, very quick to understand us and our needs. And I think what I've loved is the communication every step of the way. Appamondo didn't just hand over the help centre to us and say, you're on your own. They're very quick to say, we've got support solutions, ongoing training, and various ways that they can help our agents make the most of it. So, we're really pleased to be working with them for the year ahead so that we can keep on making sure that we're making the most of all the opportunities that Zendesk gives us. Felt like I got as much time out of Appamondo as I needed as a client, and ultimately, they've really helped us. They've helped our customers. And happy customers is only ever going to be good for our business. Our hope is they'll stay with us longer. If they have a great experience once, they'll keep on coming back, and I think Appamondo have helped us deliver that.